Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy spicy chicken heart recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So we're going to start off with some chicken hearts. I've cleaned mine and then I've soaked them in some vinegar. So the vinegar will just help to get rid of the odor and also just improve a little bit on the taste. So inside a pan which I've got some oil, I'm just going to be adding my hearts inside, and then I'm just going to saute them until they are fully cooked. And you'll see that the fat on the hearts also start to render off, and that's also an indication that your hearts are cooking through. You'll continue to saute them until none of the fat is visible on the hearts, or whatever fat you had on the hearts is no longer visible. And then I'm going to be adding some onions, and then with the onions I'm going to saute them until they are nice and translucent. Okay, so once our onions are nice and translucent, we can then move over to the next step, which is going to be to prepare a tomato base. So this is how you can see that your chicken hearts are done. You can see that it's no longer surrounded with the fat layer. So basically all of that has just dissolved away and it's added additional flavor into our dish. So next I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, which I've blended. You can grate them. You can also just add chopped tomatoes, but I strongly recommend that you blend your tomatoes. And then next I'm going to be seasoning my chicken heart stew with some crushed garlic and some seasoned salt. And then I'm going to be adding some turmeric. And then lastly I'm going to be adding some curry powder. And then to give my stew a little bit of spice, this is an optional ingredient, I'm adding some chili flakes. So if you don't want yours to be spicy, you can definitely omit the whole chili flakes from your recipe. So I'm just going to give this a quick mix just so that I can evenly distribute everything inside the pan, and then just let all the flavors mix well together. And the nice thing about cooking chicken hearts is it's quick, it's easy, and it's also very cost effective. And you can pair it with a lot of different things. You can pair this with your pap. You can also have it with bread like I am. So I absolutely love it. So then after that, I'm just going to add some chicken stock. So I've got a stock pot. You can also add a stock cube, and then you'll add a little bit of water with that. I'll have the breakdown of the measurements in the description box below. And then you're just going to mix that in. And then next we're going to add a little bit of tomato paste, and then we're also going to mix that in just to make sure that it evenly distributes inside our hot stew sauce. Okay, so once you're done mixing it up and evenly distributing, you'll see that your sauce starts to thicken up. You need to reduce your heat. We want to try and cook our chicken hearts at a low medium heat because we also don't want them to have a rubbery texture. And then you can add additional waters as you find suitable to your needs. So the amount of sauce and the thickness of your sauce will depend on how you want it. So as you're continuing to cook, you can just add a little bit of water. So you can see mine is a little bit more runny because I've already added a little bit of water just to accommodate the fact that I want more sauce. But if you don't want more sauce on your stew, you can definitely just leave it with the original measurements that I have provided in the description box. So you're gonna let that simmer away for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then after 5 to 10 minutes you can see that your chicken hearts have also started to cook well, and then they're starting to have a oily layer that starts to form on top. That's when you know that they fully cooked through. And that is it for this video. It's quick, it's easy. I had mine for lunch with some slices of bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you are new here. Comment in the comment section, share this recipe with your family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.